due east, we see a retaining wall that has been between the parties' properties for approximately 100 years. This retaining wall here. This wall is undamaged. The part of the wall that is subject to this litigation is this smaller section where it steps down. This section has a height of approximately 14 to 15 inches. And this wall is approximately 2.5 feet from the defendant's home. That brick wall that you just saw has been there since 1936. The home was constructed in 1936, and the footprint has not changed as far as the placement of that wall. That's the sewer line that is also subject to litigation. The sewer line that the defendants replaced. There was an older sewer line that we see in a moment that was actually farther east than the sewer line clean out here that we're seeing. Again, this is the wall. Here we have the fence that was constructed by the plaintiff, and you can see that there's a potential that that fence damaged the wall and was the cause or one of the causes of its partial destruction. Again, we have a wall that's approximately 14 inches high and about 100 years old. Illustrated in some other photos in our exhibits, you will see that this wall does not have a footer. It is just a simple rock masonry wall constructed, again, approximately 100 years ago. We look at what could have caused damage to the wall. It's something that expert witnesses would need to establish. We look at the placement of the sewer line in reference to the alleged property lines and the difference between the 4 surveys that have been taken between these two properties, and again, it's something that experts would need to establish. That wall extended where we are walking. It's been damaged and removed. Through this section, it was approximately 14 to 15 inches. In other areas, even shorter. The sewer line runs parallel to the defendant's home, runs right out to the street, does not cross or make any type of angle, 45-degree angle or 90-degree angle of any kind. It's a straight shot. And that's illustrated in some other exhibits that are included in this motion. Just another viewpoint of the wall. There you can see the old sewer line that was previous to the replaced sewer line, and ironically this older sewer line was farther east than the replaced line, and that has been there for 100 years almost. There's a lot of allegations about the sewer line, about its placement, about it, crossing into the plaintiff's property, all things that need experts to establish, especially because it's our position that this video and all of the other evidence will illustrate just the common sense behind the evidence and how is this the subject of 5 years of litigation. Here we have that wall again. It was damaged in this section. This part varies from 6 inches high to 14 inches high. You can see how it tapers down. It's a very standard old rock wall between the properties.